Question to David Whitton.
Thank you, Presiding Officer. To ask the Scottish Executive what progress has been made in processing the application from the Association of Commercial Attorneys for a third-party right of audience in Scotland's courts under the provisions of sections 25 to 29 of the Law Reform Miscellaneous Provisions Scotland Act 1990.
Mr MacAskill.
Can I acknowledge the attention David Whitton has given to this issue on behalf of those involved, including some constituents, which involves both previous questions and indeed correspondence. Mr Whitton will know from the inquiries he's already made that the Association recently clarified its status by incorporating itself as a limited company and submitted a revised draft scheme in late June this year. I've now completed my consideration of the Association's application. As the process requires, I have passed my views to the Lord President, and I'm sure that Mr Whitton continues to be kept informed as to progress and the outcome.
David Whitton.
I thank the Cabinet Secretary for his answer. As he said, this has been a bit of correspondence between the two of us on this matter, and when he wrote to me in June, he commented that the provisions had been in place for a year, and it's now over a year since the Association made their application. However, there seems to have been a flurry of activity since I put this question down last week. Mr MacAskill has said to me previously that he judged the application on its merits, despite his prejudiced published opinion. So can I now ask him when the final decision on this vitally important matter of third-party representation in Scotland's courts will be made, and can he get in touch with the Lord President's office to see if he can persuade them to get the move on as well?
Minister.
Well, I cannot give a definitive date because it will depend upon hearing back from the Lord President's office. I can advise, so as I did in the initial answer, that we have now submitted our position to the Lord President. The Lord President will have to consider matters. I'm sure he will do so expeditiously. I am advised that he is currently on holiday, doubtless a well-earned rest, but I'm sure that he will be dealing with it promptly on his return.